Hello, everybody, and welcome to the CC Assembly for the 8th of February 2021 for year 5 and 6 at Grange, the last week of the spring half term. Proud of all of you. We know what we're aiming for. We know what we're all about at Grange. We are CC learners. We have great caring attitude. We try our best. We always learn, even from our mistakes, especially from our mistakes. We go for improvement and progress, not worried about competing with other people. We just want to be the best that we can be. So we try to improve always on ourselves. We use our education to help us to make great choices as we go forward in life. We never give up. That's why we always look at our character strength to help us to solve any problems, and life is full of problems. The point is, how do you deal with them? And if you use your character strength, if you say, what character strength am I going to use to help me to solve this problem, to help me to make a great choice to deal with this problem? Well, then we've got the Grange CC way: confidence for ourselves, consideration for others. It's a great philosophy for life. We know that we can succeed and grow and do the best that we can do in life. We can become our best. Bouncing in, gold stars of the week, Isaac has had a great week. Blinart, a great week. Devesh, brilliant. Stefania, Tebarek, Ibra, Mustafa O, great week from all of you. Well done. You are gold stars of the week. Grange House of Water, 4,621 points. Zara, Anna, Farrell, Furkan, Ikram, Abdullah, Devesh, Ayat, Martina, Agash, Aliyah, Safana, Maruna, Diana, Mariama, Blinart, Amira, Sakina, Pirahatis, Shaili, Sultan Kavish, Ayana, Wissam, Zara, Aryan, Nora flying in is Grace, Mehdi flying in, Bavita flying in, Cosmina flying in with 93 points, and the swivel this week goes to Ilya with 111 points. Really well done. Grange House of Fire, 4,462 points. Elias, Hawad, Yomindi, Farhad, Simon, Vishwesh, Haida, Soraya, Shana, Eric, Harun, Ansar, Mithiga, Serena, Medina, Vinaya, Patrick, and flying in is Amos, Princess flying in, Rochelle flying in, Alfie flying in with 84, and the swivel goes to Isaac. Great week for him, 92 points. 4,670 for Air. Ned, Sarah, Mario, Kiana, Dana, Bianca, Krasia, Nicoletta, Masood, Imran, Jackie, Faris, Diraj, Reza, Arzu, Shravan, Ajay, Blessing, Dara, Sabrin, Joel, Amrit, Ibra, and flying, and Mora, and Mohammed S, and flying in is Jaden, Abdullah D, Dua, Mustafa O, great week, and the swivel goes to Sana S with 90 points. Great week for Sana S. Well done. Grange House of Earth, 4,533 points. Asia, Sina, Ibrahim, Lala, Shaista, Lion, Adam, Sarwa, Hedron, Danusha, Ali R, Aitan, Ayub, Alicia, Alex, Jabril, Zohaib, Stefania, Anushanth, Jody, Wasim, Anastasia, Sumaya, and Sana H, Dikshan, Aisha, Max, and flying in is Divian with 69, Lena, 94, Race, 96, Michelle, 102 points, but the swivel, great week for Evelina, 171 points. Great stuff. Record-breaking week, 18,286 brilliant points. Who are the classy classes? Well, Churchill class have been doing brilliantly last few weeks, 815 points. Gandhi class, you've been surging ahead with 1,292 points, but the swivel with superbly consistent, brilliant Tubman class, 1,338 points. Well done, classy classes. Our half-term target was 50,000. Look at us, 84,439 points. We might even get to 100,000. We've been smashing it. So let's keep going. We've had Freddie, we've had the reindeer. We're going for the pot plants for classy classes to see if you can do even better and improve your outcomes. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's sign up for the quiz on Thursday night. This is the inaugural. That means the first opening Great Grange online quiz. It's free. All you need is somewhere to sit with a device. Get all your family together and join in on Thursday night at 7 p.m. Wherever you are, friends of Grange, we will be on the online quiz. If you don't know how to sign up, ask your teacher, ask the office, and we will help you. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.